Hello, my dear kids. Good morning. How are you all? My dear children, today we will read three-letter words with add sound. You all will repeat after me. B, add, bed. F, add, fed. Mama is giving food to her baby. Fed. R, add, red. L, add, lead. T, add, Ted. Now, children, you all will repeat after me egg sound words. L, egg, leg. You can see leg. B, egg, bag. Egg, egg. Now, P, egg, peg, peg. K, egg, keg, keg. Now, my dear kids, we will read all the words and you all will repeat after me. Bed, fed, red, led, Ted. Now we will read egg sound words. Bag, leg, egg, peg and keg. Children, you all will revise ed and egg sound words once again. Bed, fed, red, led, Ted. Now egg sound words. Egg, bag, leg, peg and keg. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a blessed day.